Type 1. The scavenger. Homo habilis. One of the first humans ever. Small body, small brain. But something new. Tools. Simple stone tools. Sharp enough to cut meat. Strong enough to break bones. This was the moment humans stopped just surviving and started controlling. Type 2. The fire master. Time passes. Humans evolve. Homo erectus. Bigger. Taller. Smarter. They walked like us. But more importantly, they moved. They became the first humans to leave Africa. They explored new lands, new dangers, new worlds. And then, fire! They learned how to control it. Fire gave them warmth, protection, cooked food, longer days, safer nights. This was a massive advantage. Type 3. The social hunter. Now things get more advanced. Homo heidelbergensis. Stronger, more intelligent. They didn't just find food. They hunted, in groups, with strategy. They planned attacks, worked together, communicated. This is where humans became truly social. And from here, the human story splits. Type 4. The ice warrior. One path leads to something powerful. Neanderthals, also known as Homo neanderthalensis. Short, muscular, built for extreme cold. They lived during the Ice Age, in harsh, freezing environments. But they weren't just strong. They were smart. They made tools, wore clothing, built shelters. They cared for each other, and even buried their dead. They had emotions. They had awareness. They were human. Type 5. The ghost relative. Then something incredible happens. Modern humans meet Neanderthals, and instead of just fighting, they mix. Today, many people still carry Neanderthal DNA. They didn't fully disappear. A part of them is still here. But Neanderthals weren't alone. Another group existed, hidden for thousands of years. Denisovans, a mysterious human species. We've only found tiny pieces of them. A tooth, a bone fragment. That's it. But DNA revealed everything. They were real. They lived in Asia. And just like Neanderthals, they mixed with us. Their genes still exist today, especially in some Asian populations. Type 6. The island hobbit. Now let's go somewhere very different. A remote island, cut off from the rest of the world. Here, scientists found something shocking. Homo floresiensis, also called the hobbit humans. They were tiny, around 1 meter tall, very small brains. But here's the surprising part. They used tools. They hunted. They survived. On an isolated island, evolution took a different path. This proves something important. There's no single way to be human. Type 7. The cave ritualist. Now, another strange discovery. Deep in South Africa, scientists found hundreds of bones. They belong to Homo naledi, small brain, primitive body, but possibly advanced behavior. There are signs. They may have placed their dead in caves. This changes everything. Because that behavior was thought to belong only to modern humans. It shows intelligence is more complex than we thought. Type 8, the ultimate survivor. And finally, Homo sapiens, us. We are not the strongest. We are not the fastest. So why did we survive? Because we adapt. We created language. We shared knowledge. We learned faster than any species before us. We built tools, then better tools, then civilizations. We didn't just live in the world. We changed it. We spread across every continent. Deserts, forests, mountains, ice. And slowly, other human species disappeared. Some couldn't compete. Some couldn't adapt. Some were affected by climate. And some became part of us. Because humans didn't just replace others, we absorbed them. That's why today, we carry ancient DNA. Neanderthals, Denisovans, they are still inside us. Once, this planet was full of humans. Different kinds, different strengths, different lives. Today, only one remains. But we are not just one species. We are the result of all of them. Millions of years of evolution, survival, change. And this raises one final question. Are we really the end of the story?